Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your thermostat says heat on but your home is still cold, don't worry, this is a common issue. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to start with the heating system itself. You need to go to your furnace and make sure that it is powered on. You need to check the circuit breaker and reset it if it is tripped. Also look for the furnace power switch and ensure that also turned on. If the system isn't getting the power, the thermostat can say heat on but nothing will run. Now you need to check the airflow issue. Locate the furnace air filter and remove it. If it is dirty or clogged, you just have to replace them immediately. Now a blocked filter can shut down the heating system for safety. Also make sure that the vents and the registers around your home are open and not blocked. If it still doesn't heat, you can check the thermostat. You can just simply set the heat mode and increase the temperature above the room level. You need to remove the thermostat cover and check if the wires are secure. If your thermostat uses batteries, you just have to simply try replacing them. The incorrect settings or loose wiring can also prevent the system from turning on properly. So you just have to make sure that these two are also up to date. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.